Today we're unboxing a useful multi-purpose ladder from Corvids. It is strong, safe, and easy to use. Let's get started. Everything is packed carefully to ensure safe delivery. Here's what's inside the box. Attach the stabilizer bar to make the ladder more stable. You need to break off this extra plastic part while attaching it. With the stabilizer installed, enjoy improved balance and safety. Next shape is a type/A shape. It stands on its own, letting you do tasks easily and safely. A straight ladder, which you can use for everyday tasks like fixing things. The bridge shape lets you stand safely while reaching places you can't normally reach. When you finish, fold the ladder and store it in a small dry space. And at last, if you want to purchase this ladder, you can purchase it through the link in the description, where Corvids will offer you 2 years of warranty from the manufacturer's defect.